Hello students. So this is the question. The wave propagates whose electric field is given by. Electric field direction is given along with J, means along with the positive y axis. Find the direction of magnetic field. It is very simple to answer the questions from electromagnetic waves. So it is from EM waves. Concept is EM waves. And from this EM waves, so what the things to be remembered and for the solving such type of questions. First one is E bar cross B bar. Electric field and magnetic field is in the direction of electromagnetic wave. This is electromagnetic wave. Just option verification only we need to check on this one. Okay. And next one after this here. So if electric field is, first we need to draw about X, Y, and next one is the Z. Okay. So X is the I cap, this is J cap, and next one is the Z is it's a K cap. Okay. So if you write about E bar cross B bar, okay, E bar cross B bar means what? Electric field is it's rotating towards the magnetic field. E bar cross B bar must be is a C bar. This we need to remember. So let us go to our problem. So first one, here the question is what? This is electric. First I am writing about electric field. Electric field is E bar. E bar direction is what? E bar direction is this. You remember clearly? It's a J cap. E bar is the J cap. And E bar cross B bar. E bar cross B bar. E bar cross B bar means what? Direction of electromagnetic wave. So what is the direction of electromagnetic wave? It is in the direction of, this is the case. Which one is that? X. X means it's a I cap. So electromagnetic wave is what? In the direction of positive X axis. Okay. So now I am writing. First one is electromagnetic wave is this. This is the I cap. Which one is this? It's a E bar cross B bar. Okay. So next one, electric field is positive Y axis. It's a J cap. And definitely magnetic field should be what? It's a Z. But the question is about Z means it's a K cap. Okay. So this is the K cap. So this is positive K cap or minus negative K cap. Then how should I know this one? Okay. So first one, this is E bar cross B bar. E bar cross B bar should give what? It's a I cap. Okay. So you know E bar. E bar is what? It's a J cap. This is J cap. Cross something should be multiplied as a cross product. You should get it's a I cap. Okay. So if you have idea on this one, this is what for the vector product I cap. Next one is the J cap. Next one is the K cap. Okay. So I cross J is the K. J cross K is the I. K cross I is the J. So J cross something is equals to what? You will get the I. What is that? J cross K. Okay. So this one is J cross K. You will get the I. So what is the? This should be a K. Means K means electromagnetic wave direction depends on what? Direction of electric field and magnetic field. Magnetic field direction is what? It's a K cap. So your answer is K cap. The option is this.